guess it started raining. This is pretty scary.
Whoa, shit. Alright, it's gonna work. What are you staring? You see something? Hey. 小熊? Pretty cool. Alright. So we're gonna... Oh, there's another hole here. I don't know what's that for. This is like a secret spot. My dog even smelled something. This is what I can see when I'm laying down. The walls. The dust. Dust everywhere. Oh shit. Good night, guys. Good morning. Well, this is exactly 6:30 a.m. and I'm still here. I can hear some birds singing, so I'm gonna open the window and check this out. Alright. Actually, there was a heavy rain last night. It was just pretty crazy. Oh, I could feel how fresh it is outside. It was hard to fall asleep, but finally it's fine. Hi, girls. Good morning. Challenge completed. I did it. It's really cool to spend a night here. By the way, if you know where I can stay overnight and have another challenge, maybe you can let me know in the comments below. Alright. Whoa, that's a fantastic view. Goodbye, my little house.